arched back toward my hand. Ooh.
Yep.
A bit stiff, huh? Okay. This side? Sore on that side. How about right side? Ooh. Not happy either, huh?
Nope,
no,
not at all. Wow, that's cool.
That was big.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Cool. Nice.
Crazy, wow. So much. Ooh.
Ooh. A bit tender, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Take some breathing for me. And breathe out.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
That's a lot of crack.
Yeah. Beautiful.
It's very physical.
Yeah.
Very, like the cuts itself is like 80 kilos. Constant pulling, like especially on my wrists,
Right.
the shoulders, the
Right.
carrying of the bag, the high heels, the long distance. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot.
I mean, they should have men to do the flight attendants instead of
Even the men, like they struggle. Yeah.
Yeah, they struggle.
Everyone struggles because you're doing everything so fast. You're in the air.
You all right? The first one. Did you feel anything? No. No? Okay. I'm doing very gentle at the beginning. Open up a little bit more. Feel okay?
Yep, it's good.
Nice.
No pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain. That's what we always said, right?
Yes. Like this?
Yeah.
Yep.
Put your head in down. Good. Good.
Ooh. Yeah, felt that.
Right. Very good. Nice releasing.
Yeah. Like I'm on a cloud. That was so
That's
good.
good.